quest for good food. I love food. Anything to do with food. Eating it, cooking it, nutrition, and even selling food. My biggest interest now is growing food and learning to grow it so that it's tasty and nutritious, but also has as little negative impact on the environment as possible. I look for opportunities to learn about farming whenever I can. I spent one summer on my aunt's farm in Washington State, and I even farmed for my honeymoon. I now get my fix at the St. Cloud State Community Garden. So why did I study chemistry instead of agriculture? I feel that a knowledge of chemistry can help people to understand and appreciate the world around them, including food and the environment. My chemistry classes have helped me to understand just how complex living things are. For example, carrots not only have beta-carotene, but they also have alpha-carotene, gamma-carotene, and other molecules that all act synergistically in ways that scientists don't entirely understand, and yet humans attempt to encapsulate beta-carotene alone into a vitamin supplement and consider it to be an adequate replacement for real food. It's the same when we grow food conventionally. We try to feed plants only the basic nutrients in a form of sterile chemical fertilizers with concentrated nitrogen, potassium, and phosphorus in prescribed ratios, instead of using compost that has a complex variety of compounds along with beneficial microorganisms. Organic agriculture is a controversial topic, and I wish it wasn't. I wish people tried to genuinely work towards meaningful solutions for world hunger and our environmental and public health problems without allowing themselves to become so divided. But both organic food opponents and its advocates can be guilty of being narrow-minded. Opponents say that organic cannot feed the world, but Olivier de Schutter of the United Nations says, "Today's scientific evidence demonstrates that agroecological methods outperform the use of chemical fertilizers in boosting food production where the hungry live, especially in unfavorable environments." Opponents often point out that organic food is just a way to charge more for products, that it's a scam. At times, there is truth to this. The organic standards in the United States are far from perfect. And when companies like Kraft and Cargill buy out smaller organic companies, and they do, I sometimes lose faith in the organic label. At least the organic seal guarantees certain things. It guarantees that there are no pesticides, fungicides, and herbicides, and that the product is not genetically modified. Food is not a black and white issue. I only feel that as responsible members of society, we should think about where our food comes from. We can visit a farmer's market and ask questions, support our local co-op, grow our own food, hunt or fish. Those of us who can afford it should be willing to spend a little more money on food or at least more time. It's worth it for our health and for the planet.